Imagine the scenario. School announces homework is canceled forever. The principal walks in and announces, effective immediately, homework is abolished. The class goes absolutely wild, and quote, abolish wins. Abolishing homework is the most based policy decision of all time. No cap.
Effective immediately test, homework is abolished.
The word of the day is abolish, a verb. It means to formally put an end to a system, practice, or institution, to do away with completely. Now, let's explore this word further in today's news. Abolish is synonymous with eradicate, eliminate, and annul. Here's a memory trick. Abolish equals A plus abolish. Think polish off. You polish something off so completely it ceases to exist entirely. Generation Alpha says to abolish it is to delete it from existence. The most decisive Sigma move possible. No debate. Spotted in today's news. Hungary's new government is submitting a bill to parliament to abolish the Sovereignty Protection Office, which critics say suppressed journalists. The word abolish is popular in political and historical contexts, often paired with slavery, laws, or the death penalty. Always formal, just like homework should be.